You won't believe that I created this video through AI and made it completely free. And you only need one video like this to monetize your channel. Look at this. On YouTube, this one video has 104 million views. And this single video has the power to monetize 10 channels. And just like this, the views here are in millions. And this guy keeps making videos like these. And it's not only one guy. There are many videos and many channels doing this same thing. And these are called ASMR videos. These are ASMR crushing videos. That's why people want thousands of dollars. Look at this. This channel is earning an estimated $5,000 to $16,000, which becomes thousands of dollars. And many people are earning thousands of dollars. Here is an example. If you go on YouTube and write Car Crush ASMR, look here, 61 million views on a long video, and the shorts and long videos both have views in millions. See this, 120 million views on one long video, meaning thousands of dollars in earnings. Now, some people make these videos with AI, and some make them originally in real life. But today in this video, your brother will teach you the complete method of how to make these videos, and you will be able to make them completely free. We will see all the details inside this video. But before we move ahead, if you're new on this channel, then subscribe for your learning and to support me, and also give a like to this video if it teaches you something new. Now, to make these videos with AI, first you need to create images like these. Then those images will become videos. What motion prompts will be used? And what prompts will create these images? Your brother has arranged everything for you with hard work, and I have prepared this master prompt for you. You will come to this video's description. You will get this ASMR video's master prompt in which I've written all the details. Simply copy this prompt, then come to ChatGPT. You can also go to DeepSeek. You can go to Claude, paste this prompt in the prompt box, and click the enter button. Then ChatGPT or your chatbot will ask you which of these things you want to make a video for. It will provide a list. You can copy any idea or write your own. For example, we copy the first idea. Large pack of 100 crayons, meaning a pack of 100 color crayons. Copy this idea and paste it below in ChatGPT and press enter. Now your prompt is generating. First is the image prompt, and second is the motion prompt. You will get two prompts. With the image prompt, your picture will be created, and with the motion prompt, that picture will come to life, meaning you can convert it into a video. Now here you have more ideas. Let's generate one more idea. Look, raw eggs in a carton. Copy it, paste it below, meaning there will be an egg tray. Press enter, and here your prompts for eggs are generated. One image prompt and one motion prompt. Now we will start creating the scenes of our video. This first image prompt, the crayons one, will create an image. Copy it from ChatGPT and go to Google and write ImageFX, Google's great free tool for creating images. Open the website, paste your prompt into the prompt box, click the arrow button, and select the 9:16 ratio. Because we are making short videos, you can also make long videos. People are also making long videos like this. Click the create button and your images are generated. How amazing the results are. The car tire and crayons placed ahead of it. Over these crayons, we will roll the tire, and you can place anything in front of the tire the same way. Now copy the first image prompt for eggs from ChatGPT. Go to ImageFX, paste the prompt again, click create, and look. New images are generated with amazing results. An egg tray placed and the car tire next to it. You can crush many different items under the car tire this way. Now look, here is something that isn't in the list. I'll generate a prompt for any item. For example, let's write colorful balloons filled with water, meaning water balloons. Type it and press enter to get prompts accordingly. Or write colorful transparent lighters, meaning the tire will roll over lighters and sparks or smoke may appear, which will look really cool. Let's generate it. Look, now image and motion prompts for the lighters are also ready. Copy the image prompt, go to ImageFX again, paste the prompt and generate the image. And look, the images are amazing. Now download one picture of each of the three types for making the video. Now you need to make videos from these images. For this, first download a VPN and activate it. Then go to Google and write dmina.com. Click create, continue with Google and make an account. Now click the plus button. Before that, click the options below and select AI video. Now upload your first picture. Now paste the motion prompt with it, which ChatGPT already gave. Go back to ChatGPT. Below the image prompt of crayons is the motion prompt. Copy it. Paste it in Dreamina with the image. Click enter. Your video is now generating. You can also use Grok. On Grok, click the Imagine button. Click the Attach button and upload the same picture. Paste the motion prompt from ChatGPT. Press enter. Your video will also start generating. Here are the results of the video made by Dreamina. Look, these are the results. And here is the video Grok created. It even has sound effects. If the video doesn't come out correct the first time, click redo. It will become even better. Now your first video is ready. Download it. Similarly, go to Grok and upload the second image. Copy the eggs motion prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok, press enter, and here the video is generated again. Look how amazing it is. But Grok messed up a bit. The tire went back a little. No problem. Press redo and it will generate again. And look, this time it's perfect. The car tire rolled over and crushed the eggs. But don't try these things with food. You can crush the other items because it's wrong. Now upload the third image in Grok, the lighters one, and paste its motion prompt. And here are the results. Amazing. Now download all 3 video clips and edit them. You won't need to add sound effects. Grok already gives you sound. No need for music. Just combine all clips in your editor and export it. Now you're ready to upload these videos on YouTube. If you start working from today, then God willing, you can also get millions of views and earn good money. But for millions of views or strong earnings, continuous hard work is necessary. If you liked the video, then give it a like. Also share it with your friends.